Chinese New Year means a lot to me as I get to doll up in auspicious colour, and my relatives will all come over to my place as my dad is the eldest in the family. 恭喜发财，新年快乐! Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine, and today I'd like to share with you my family's favourite mixed nut Florentine cookies. This is a very simple Chinese New Year recipe as all ingredients are mixed in one bowl, and you can add in a variety of nuts and seeds in it. Instead of butter, I'm using 40 grams of knife rice bran oil for my recipe. The oil helps to bring out a better flavour in the nuts and seeds, giving a better fragrance in every bite, and also it is high in antioxidants, which is good for your heart. Avoid using bigger nuts such as walnut, as you would want your cookies to be flat and easier to bite on. Use a round cookie cutter, about 5 cm, and draw on a piece of paper and place it under a baking paper. 1 teaspoon of batter for each circle and press it down gently to even it out. Okay, it looks easy, isn't it? Presenting to you my family's favourite mixed nuts Florentine cookies. Chinese New Year is just around the corner. Here's wishing everyone 新年快乐，心想事成，口袋满满，快啦！